integrate the ServiceNow Custom Engine Agent within Microsoft Copilot for greater benefits. M365 users can find rich information from ServiceNow knowledge base articles, conversationally order catalog items, and connect with live agents. This ServiceNow Custom Engine Agent experience is available in any Microsoft 365 application. For this demo, we're in the Copilot experience within Microsoft Teams. First, let's see how to retrieve information from KB articles. One of the ways to engage with the Now Virtual Agent bot is through Copilot by using the @mention feature, by typing the symbol and Now Virtual Agent, our bot's name. With the Now Virtual Agent bot engaged, we can ask a question. Let's ask how to handle spam. The synthesized response is generated from different KB articles, describing what spam is and any actions we can take to handle it. Links to sources for the information are listed here underneath. Now let's order from a catalog. In this case, let's request a loaner laptop. Depending on how we word the request, the synthesized response may include different catalog item options. This is the one we want, so we start the request. The Now Virtual Agent bot then asks us to confirm our request. It may also ask for details about the request. We can make changes or add attachments before submitting the request. It looks good, so we submit it. The Now Virtual Agent bot submits the request on our behalf and provides a link to the requested item. We can also interact with the Now Virtual Agent directly in the Agent Selection panel. The panel includes some sample prompts. You can customize these prompts if you're using the self-configured bot approach. We select the sample prompt to help us connect to a live agent. Now Virtual Agent confirms what we've requested and prompts us to continue. And now Virtual Agent provides a link for us to connect to a live agent within the Teams bot. After integrating Microsoft Copilot with Now Assist in Virtual Agent, your users can leverage the ServiceNow AI platform to easily retrieve information, order items, and connect with live agents, all from one interface. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.